Safety is a paramount concern for any personnel working at heights, and it is essential to use the correct equipment for the job. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Now, whether it's simple as a step stool for reaching a higher shelf, a step ladder for higher reach, or a work platform for accessing the highest levels, the MHA products catalogue has a comprehensive range together with associated safety equipment. Industrial grade ladders include aluminium and fiberglass options from industry names such as Bailey and Troughton, with mobile access platforms providing an additional level of stability, particularly for maintenance tasks. There are also a variety of work platform cages designed specifically for use with order pickers and forklifts, as well as cages for safely containing loads in these applications. And for high-level work, MHA offers crane platform cages suitable for up to 6 personnel, all designed in accordance with Australian standard AS 1418.17. You can see the full range at all the W's, mhaproducts.com.au, or give them a call on 1800 750 900. And thanks for watching.